Coming in to print grades is a two-step process. You can get grades through Haiku, which has the detailed gradebook entries, or you can get grades, just the final grade from the transcript here in Genius. I'm going to show you how to go all the way into Haiku to be able to get detailed grades for your student. Now remember that if you have multiple students, there's another video about how you can switch between students to make sure that you are able to get to all of their grades. So I clicked on one of the classes for the student that I'd like to look at. I'm going to actually go into her class and I'm going to select grades. So I go to the Assess tab and then I go to grades, and this is going to give me a list of every grade that she has for the entire semester. And from here I can take a look at this and I can print it. Now I can print this directly to a printer, but I have heard reports that it sometimes only captures one page. I don't know if that's a browser issue or if there's something about the way that it's sending, but there are two alternatives that I can give you, or two different workarounds that I can give you that might work for you to be able to get all of the grades that you need. You see that these are grouped by type of assignment. So we have our class assignments for this particular class, we've got quizzes, and then we have wiki projects and the associated work that goes along with those. So if I want to be able to get all of these grades, then I can click print and I can try and send it to a printer. But I'm actually I am going to save a copy of this to Adobe PDF, which is one of the options that I have. Now whenever I do that, it's actually going to convert the entire page. Let me bring this over, and I'm going to rename that, and I'm going to make sure that it's set to save to my desktop so that I can find it easily. This is my own personal preference. Now once it's saved, then it's converting it from the page to this PDF. So now I have a PDF. It's 8 pages long. It's pretty long, but I have a record of every grade that my student has had for the entire semester that I can save, I can print, I can do whatever I need to. Now this is not an option. If for some reason you can't save it to a PDF, then you can also try, I'm going to go ahead and close this and get back to our original screen. You can take screenshots, just a print screen of each of the pages that you need so that you have an image of each of them. And that might be an alternative way for you to make sure that you have all of the records, because you only have access to this grade book for 30 days after the class has ended, and then these are closed, and the final grade, which in this case is an A, would be moved from this grade book and submitted to the transcript over in Genius. So at that point, all you would have access to would be the final grade of A for the class, and you would no longer have access to the detailed records. So it's very important to do the PDF or print it off or take your screenshots, whatever option you need to do to be able to make sure that you have a record as detailed as you need it of your students' grades for the semester.